You gotta say something about the chinos in New York.
That's the best right here. You about to see what's going on. Plain fried rice with sesame seed chicken. Sesame chicken, you feel me? Slapping. You got totones, you feel me? Chinese make everything. My name is Emmanuel from the Bronx. I go by the name of E Got Blocks. First time I got on a bike, I was young. I don't remember how young I was, but I was probably like 6, 7, 8, around there. My brother used to have a bunch of bikes. He used to always work on bikes, so I was used to riding bikes since young. I was even riding bikes that was bigger than me at a young age, you know what I'm saying? So I was always used to it. That was one of my passions since growing up. I started riding at first with, kids from my block, because they had similar bikes to the one that, I had bought, which was the Big Ripper. And then, I just started riding with them. Wherever they went, I would just ride with them. Can I come along with y'all? And then, I started getting familiar with the street and the form of riding that they do and the meetups. So they'll do meetups and I'll be like, oh yeah, we out. They'll do ride outs. So now, I started meeting other riders, other nice riders, different type of riders that do, different activities, different things. And then that's how you go building up your team. Like, you kind of like fall in place with certain people that's on the same type of vibe as you. And you learn, you meet people, you experience new things. I met people and got, photo shoots and video shoots with them, and like I learned how to network with other people. So it's like a grown community within the bike life. I was blind to this. This is my guy Winter right here.
You already know Winter got blocks, man. We outside.
This is my guy Worm right here.
Warren got blocks.
That's my guy Flacco in the mechanic.
Flacco got blocks.
That's the goal right there, you heard?
Bike life to me, I've been bike life since I was young. Watching all the dirt bikes, four-wheelers, motorcycles, all of that. Had little toys and whatnot. But bike life's always been in me. I had cousins and family members that used to do that shit, so I got on it and it kept me out of, trouble and other bullshit in the streets. Facts.
That's just the New York culture. That's just a part of the New York culture, man. Bikes, bike life, dirt bikes, bicycles, all that stuff. The type of bikes that we ride is innovative BMX. It's like BMX, but just innovated and made into, bigger tires, bigger frames, and different tricks. Now we ride on the street and we do different tricks while wheeling. So it's like a whole innovative sport. We always get judged as bikers, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, oh, these the kids that be doing bad, and they the ones that be swerving in the streets. They the ones that be, stealing and shit. But that's not even the case. They just judging it from an out thing. And another thing is like, they'll look at it like, oh, y'all already mad grown, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should be having jobs and shit. Y'all shouldn't be riding a bike, which is like, why would you say that? This is my career, you know what I'm saying? Like, I work, I make money doing this shit. I'm sponsored and all that. Like, people don't see that side. They don't see how, like, the benefit of how far biking could get you. Like, I met the most amazing people through bike life. I got to fully enjoy my city in every corner of it. The whole city, from the Bronx to Manhattan to Brooklyn, Queens, even Staten Island. It done took me to Florida. They flew me out. I came out in a magazine out there. It done got me on the billboards. It got me to meet celebrities, all types of shit. It got me even on the New York City commercial for the mayor, with the reopening of the New York City to get the tourists back going on. Whatever it is that you love doing, even if you don't see like the benefit of it or the profit in it yet, just find something that you love and eventually it'll fall in place. Like bike life, I don't recommend it to everybody because everybody don't got the same interest in bike as me. It doesn't work for everybody. The same key don't work for everybody. If you do like bikes, you gotta get yourself a bike and get out there, man. It's like, for sure. But definitely find something that you love to do and just keep doing it, keep pushing yourself to do it, keep being persistent. Don't listen to what anybody has to say. If everybody doubting you, then that doesn't matter. Just keep doing it. As long as you believe in yourself, it can happen. That's the most important.